Breaking news: Professionals Lobby, a fully AI-constructed digital platform, is transforming the Middle East's economic landscape, ushering in a new model of entrepreneurship. This startup, built by algorithms, has grown from a single idea into a massive digital ecosystem with minimal human effort. The platform today features over 300 AI-crafted web pages and 9 core service verticals. The AI-first model dramatically reduces development timelines from months to days or weeks. It requires near-zero capital and a minimal human workforce. This results in a 90% plus cost reduction through intelligent resource allocation. The zero-cost engine operates by rotating free tiers of top-tier AI models as inventory, generating over 500 digital assets. The process involves primary orchestrators for strategy and content, development for custom architecture, and creative multimedia production. A comprehensive knowledge infrastructure was built in just 24 hours. The launch of ERPEDIA, an enterprise resource planning encyclopedia, resulted in over 60 structured pages covering complex topics, all researched, structured, coded, and published in under 1 day by an AI workforce. Professionals Lobby offers a new approach to advisory, the art of consulting in the AI era. It utilizes the Lobo framework and the MECE plus pyramid principle, supercharged by AI automation, to offer neutral consulting across 20-plus domains. The platform's social media strategy has put it in the spotlight in the UAE. Key results include a 320% increase in social media engagement and high brand recall, content shares, and video completion rates. This blueprint for the AI native generation empowers UAE SMEs and solo founders. It enables rapid indexing for fast discoverability and ensures policy alignment with global and UAE-level AI strategies for economic diversification. AI replaces barriers, not ambition. We are seeing a shift from executives to orchestrators, as sophisticated platforms no longer require Silicon Valley capital, creating a permanent, evolving ecosystem that leverages modern AI tools. Visit www.professionalslobby.com for more details.
Professionals Lobby, grow, connect, succeed.